little bit, you'll see here that I've got a large lemonade jar here that has a spout on the bottom of it. In that, just to hold it, I've got this coffee filter. You can get this on Amazon. I forgot now, I think it's a Broth or something like that. That's a real fine mesh filter. And so in order to hold that in place, I just use this in the top of it and put that inside of there. And then I'm going to pour, before I do this, I'm going to show you down in this pot. Maybe you'll be able to see down there. I've let it sit, and hopefully you can see down in the bottom there's little bitty tiny bits of chicken, and you know, just a lot of the stuff that was on top of it has now settled to the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is pour this into this jar. I'm going to move that over so you can see, I think. I'm going to slowly pour it through this little sieve. It almost looks like water coming out of the pot right now. But it's actually got some fat and stuff in it. And I'll explain what I'm doing here in a minute. Okay, I'm getting to the point now where okay. So I've gotten to the point where some of the stuff in the bottom that had settled into the bottom of the pot is now coming out. Okay, so now you can see that I've got almost a half a jar of this broth, and you can see that it's kind of yellow. So what I'm going to do is leave that sitting for just a little while so that the fat rises to the top. And then once the fat has risen to the top, I'll take my jars over here and start filling them, and I hold it over the sink so that if it drips,